Hi, my name is Marissa Reyes, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about my internship with Texas Tech Baseball. This first page is my resume. I haven't included my time being at baseball. This is my cover letter. I have addressed it to Baylor College of Medicine for an open position as an athletic trainer, since I will be taking my LAT as soon as that is open up. This is me describing the organization at baseball and describing the different facilities that we have at Danlaw Field and Griffin Park, and talking about the training facility as well. This part is about my weekly duties for practice. Every day was basically the same thing over and over, but it was very fun. On game days, we did have different things that we would do. It also depended if you were on the home side or if you were working the visitor side, but we were always busy. This next one is a list of all the equipment. We had a lot of exercise equipment, and we also did have a lot of modalities, and we did also have your basic computer and printer and our kestrel reading for the weather. One thing I do wish we had at baseball was a hydraulics pool. And this part is the research I did. I had the opportunity of working with one athlete after he got injured, and I got to see him out throughout his injury. I went from his surgery, which was a meniscus surgery, all the way back until we got him back to playing. And that was really exciting for me. It was very trusting of the head trainer to actually give me this athlete to work with. During my experience, I learned a lot. I really enjoyed being at baseball. I would definitely recommend this to other students in my program for sure. I think Tech really did help me prepare me for this, and I would definitely do it again if I could. And this is a thank you letter to Brian for letting me work under him and just teaching me a lot. I mean, I learned a lot at baseball, and it was really fun while it lasted. All right, thank you.